Everything is very, very similar. And the last icon, of course, next to it is the messages. This is where you're gonna find any communication, any messages with people that you know, people that you reach out, or someone who actually want to reach us out. Again, messages are available for you only if you allow people to send you messages. Remember, when you go on the gear icon in the top right corner, you can actually opt out and not let people to send you messages. This is how a lot of these big brands and big companies, they have a one official account where they just post content and create brand awareness, and they have a separate account which support. You will go and you will see there's a TikTok account and there is a TikTok support. There is a YouTube account and there is a YouTube support, right? Because they're gonna drag the attention from maintenance and services and help away from the actual brand to a completely different account. So this is what probably you want to consider if you planning to run a brand or company. This is how things are actually split, and essentially you will have in one place only the good stuff, and on the other account only the bad stuff, only the complaints and the issues. For more information like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.